After this trick, my wardrobe is no longer wet or moist. Very few people know this trick that I will be showing you today. Once you learn this, I assure you that you will be speechless and you will never have moisture in your house again. But this does not stop there, since I will also show you another super trick where I will teach you how to remove the bad smell from the refrigerator. Pay close attention, the good starts now. Welcome to Jennifer's Recipe Book. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you are the first to receive our advice. First, I will show you the trick that will help you remove the bad smell from the refrigerator. For it, we are going to use some easy-to-access ingredients that most of us have at home. Here I have a medium lemon, which you surely have at home, about 15 units of sweet clove, and sodium bicarbonate, which is a universal multi-use. With the help of a knife, we are going to cut the lemon in half. Once we have them separated, we take 5 or 6 cloves and center them in half of the lemon. Once this is done, we repeat it in the other half of the lemon. We take a medium-sized container. I am using a glass one here, but you can use any other you have at home. Then we add a tablespoon of the bicarbonate that we had reserved. Now we go to the refrigerator. We put the first half on the door, right next to where you usually put the eggs. The second half of the lemon, you can place it at the bottom of the refrigerator, right behind the glass. You can place it at the bottom of the refrigerator, right behind the water or the food. You should leave them in the fridge for about 5 days to make them work. For the freezer, we take the container with the bicarbonate and place it there for 7 days. Now we continue with today's special trick. As in the previous trick, first we take a container. In my case, I am also using another glass one, and then we add 4 ounces of white rice. Rice is very effective as an absorber. There are even people who use it to restore equipment that gets wet with water. Then we add 3 tablespoons of refined salt. I always send greetings at the end of the videos. So let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Next, we add 15 drops of scent essence. In my case, I am using scented baby oil. This is very effective to remove the smell of moisture and give a good scent to the wardrobe. Now we mix very well until they are completely integrated. Take advantage and let me know some trick or advice that you would like us to do on the channel. I am always reading your suggestions. Now we take it to the wardrobe and leave it there for about 4 weeks. You can also place it right next to the shoes, and it will absorb the moisture and bad smell. Locate a place in your house where you have moisture and this will solve it. Guaranteed. Which of these 2 tricks did you think was the coolest? If you found them interesting, let them reach someone who could be of help. Today's greeting is for Rosario Rodriguez from Spain and for Juan Ojeda from Mexico. Thanks for watching us. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive other similar tips, leave me below. I want more tips, so I'll know if I'm doing it right. Do them at home and then come back here and let me know how they turned out. So far today's video. I say goodbye, wishing you the richest blessings.